I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education. You know, Yourpedia is a platform which keeps on guiding you for various career domains related to your professional courses, engineering courses, and what is the easiest way to get into that. In that direction only, I'm going to discuss with you another important aspect, another easy way to enter into really prestigious course. I am Ahmedabad. Who does not know IIMs and IIM Ahmedabad kind of institutes? They are the world reputed institutes, and it is very difficult to enter into IIMs for let's say management courses of 2 years through CAT exam. You know, it's competitive. Though you should try for that. There's an easy way to enter into that. I'll say easy because compared to the CAT exam and all. There's a fellowship program in management which normally takes 3 years after masters and 4 years after BTech. So if you're a final year student in BTech or you have done only BTech, then it may take 4 years for you in IIM Ahmedabad to complete this particular course, fellowship program in management. This FPM, roughly if I say this is the PhD course, that means you will be awarded a PhD in particular domain. And after PhD, the biggest question comes, sir, if I invest 4 years of my life into this, am I going to get career? Think of if you are only 22, 23, 24 years of age and 4 years and you complete your doctorate at the age of 27, 28. You can get into academics. That means you can become faculty in premium institutes, IITs, IIMs, NITs. Wherever there's a management department, you can become faculty there. There is a itself is a very good career domain. You can go abroad because during fellowship program many times you go outside for conference and you develop your links and you can go for postdoctorate fellowships, or you can go there in some company. Corporate world is totally open, unlike PhD courses in other institutes like technical institutes or other basic sciences. uh, PhD course in management actually, uh, there's a very high probability for you to get into corporate world, because whatever work you do, you can become as a consultant in corporate world. You have lot of linkages, alumni base is huge, and you can get into there. So sir, can I get good career after fellowship program in management? Answer is yes. And in fact, I'm going to interview some of the students who have done FPM, got very good career. Now what is the easiest way to enter into that? You know, easiest way is if you have consistently good academic background. So what is the meaning of consistently good academic background? Let me tell you that. If your 10th, 12th and graduation, 10th class, 12th class and BTech or BCom or whatever graduation, if you have 75% plus, 75% plus throughout, then you have very high probability to get call for this course, very very high probability. And if you're 80% plus, 100% you are going to get call if you qualify the other competitive exam, which is the criteria here I'm going to discuss with you. So very very, those of you who have 10th, 12th and graduation, this the probability is very high because they give consistent high academic background. They give very high value for this particular course and for IIMs otherwise also, but for this course they give high value for that. So those of you in, let's say, graduation, or those who are in graduation and have this, they should certainly go for that. This is a first criteria for that. Now let me tell you what kind of courses in IIM Ahmedabad you can go for that. You know, for all these courses, like, there are some areas of high level of specializations, you know, and there are some exams which you can give, you know. CAT exam can be given, or if not CAT, in lieu of that, CAT obviously is accepted, but if not CAT, there is a GRE exam everywhere you can appear. GRE is a very simple exam. GRE is a very very simple exam which you can go for, and GRE similar to that is GMAT exam. UGC, you know, JRF exam is also one of the exams which you can appear for some courses like agriculture, economics, something like that, or innovation and management in education. And then there is a GATE exam also, like for this production and quantitative method. For public systems group, there's a GATE requirement. And similarly for innovation and management, GATE requirement is there for these particular courses also. So you see where is the GATE requirement, and then there's a requirement of GRE and CAT. Now some of you are preparing for GATE exam, so obviously they are going to get, and how much is the GATE score required? Not very high. As I told you, PhD courses and fellowship program in management courses, not very high GATE score is required because it is added along with academic background. So the requirement here is good academic background, GATE 40 plus marks is good enough, and research proposal. That is something which is very important. SOP, SOR, research proposal. If you have these, then 100% you are going to get call. And if you perform good in interview, you get selected also. So this is the criteria. So sir, if I have very good academic background, let's say 10th, 12th, BTech marks are very good, then, and if I qualify GATE, GRE, CAT kind of exam, and if I make a good research proposal, can I get a call from IIMS? Answer is 100%. This is IIM Ahmedabad. Similarly, IIM Bangalore, Calcutta, so many IIMs are there. You are going to get calls from there. Requirement and criteria is same. Now, those of you who are preparing for GATE exam, keep preparing and apply in that. But there are some departments where through GATE you may not be in position to apply, like marketing. So you need to keep that in mind that I cannot apply through that. Now there's another exam which is CAT. Those of you who are writing CAT, obviously they can apply for that. Or those who have written CAT in the previous years, I think 2 to 3 years, 2 years CAT score is accepted. I will just discuss with you. Those who have CAT score, not very high CAT score, but they have CAT score with them, they can also think of going here. Believe me, this course is as good as 2 years MBA. Believe me on that. Depends how much effort you do in the fellowship program, how much effort you do, and if you do really good effort, then certainly you can get it. Now scores of CAT 18, 19, 20 will be considered for this. So those of you who have CAT score with you 2018, 19, they can apply for that. Even GATE score of the last 2 years will be accepted. And GRE also, if you have GRE score with you, that will also be accepted. So if you have these scores, you can get accepted into this particular thing, this particular course. Last dates are September 23rd, the online application will open up, and January 21, it will be closed. So you have time till January 21. So what you have to do till this time, obviously जो academic background तुम्हारा है वो तो है, just prepare which department you want to apply, research proposal बहुत अच्छा prepare करो, और competitive exam जो आप तैयारी कर रहे हो, जैसे GATE की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो Feb में exam होगा, CAT का exam अभी होगा आपका before that, and GRE you can write, if you want you can write GRE also. So this is how it is all to be done. Anyhow, this is only details, and this I told you, like if you are MTech, if you are having master's degree with you, it is going to take 3 years. And if you have BTech degree or 4 years degree, it is going to take 4 years for you for completion this project. And you know, as far as the placement is concerned, the biggest question students have is how should we get placed? So you can think of teaching, research, consulting positions in government organizations, in private sectors, where, I mean, opportunities are not less. You know, institute like Ahmedabad, if you spend 4 years there, the kind of courses you will learn, you cannot compare it anywhere. So if you really do effort, if you really do good in your course, fellowship program course, then I'm very sure you are going to get multiple opportunities through this, and you should explore those opportunities. You have those opportunities. That is not a problem. So placement is not at all problem. As of now, you should only think of that, sir, I want to get into this particular domain. That is how I should basically think of it. And yes, there is another thing is that if I'm in final year, sir, can I apply for this? Yes. If you're final year, you can join this, because till 31st May 2021, you have to ask your director or the head of department that he should give you some kind of certificate that you are appearing in your final year exam. Provisional certificate, something should be given, and by December 2021 you should have final certificate with you. So that means final year students are eligible. So if you are in final year as of now, you are eligible for this course, you can join this particular course. So just keep your things prepared with you so that you can basically enter into this particular domain. Fine. So now I think let me tell you how this course, so these are the domains in which you can go, like innovation and management in education. This is something which is very, very relevant, very good. Many of you will be working in industries, so they may not be having CAT score or GATE score with them, and maybe planning to write GRE, or they may not have written GRE so far. Easiest way is by writing GRE. If you get GRE score with you, maybe 300 to 310, I know student between this range getting into fellowship program in management. So this is the easiest. You know, in GRE there are two sections, quant and verbal. Quant is very simple, 170, and this is also 170. So if you make a target that, okay, out of this I will take 165 and rest I will take from here, let's say 145 if I take, you will get the call from IIMSA. I'm telling you that the easiest way. Now, how can Yourpedia help you? Let me tell you that. One thing, Yourpedia prepares a research proposal for you, which is the most important document. See, academic background is yours, which I told you in the beginning. Academic background is yours. You need to have good academic background, that you need to ensure. And the academic background which I told you, that is for general category student. For reserve category student, obviously it is lesser. So academic background is yours. After that, research proposal for particular course, let's say innovation and management in education, or organizational behavior or production and quantitative method, public systems group. So uske liye research proposal, Yourpedia mentors will help you to prepare that, obviously depending upon your background. And this module is inbuilt into that. GRE module is inbuilt into that. So we Yourpedia team under Tyagi sir, he has made very good basically content for this quantitative, and you can easily score by putting effort for maximum 2 months. You can easily score 300 plus in this. I mean, quant and verbal, if you put effort, you can score 170 out of 170 here, and you can score 150 approximately here. So your GRE will become very good score with you. So that is the easiest way. So sir, if CAT, GRE, GATE, if I think of it, what should I write? Easiest kaun sa hai? GRE is very easy. So if you give your 2 to 3 months, I'll say 3 months, next 3 months. If you give your 3 months meticulously, you can discuss with me how that strategy is to be made. If you give your 3 months meticulously for this particular thing, you can easily enter into IIMS for fellowship program. And the same criteria will be for other IIMS. So there will be not less than 10 IIMS which will come out with the same kind of things. And they want people with, I tell you one more thing also here. They want people with the different requirements. GMAT also, GRE also, CAT also, GATE also, that is required, you know. So if you go, others are going with CAT, if you go with GRE, so that is a difference is somewhere that is also appreciated. So that thing also you can think of. So go with GRE for this, and easily you can prepare, and Yourpedia is providing you the module for GRE also. GATE obviously is being provided by Yourpedia. You can go for that. And even CAT ke liye this module is very helpful for CAT also. So those of you who want that module, that is inbuilt module into this, you can go for that. Go for, prepare it well, and you have the time. So target yourself like January tak, jab tak iska last date hai, you will be preparing very good research proposal. You will be preparing for this competitive written exam also. And if you have already have these written exams and all, prepare research proposal and go for that. I hope I have made my point clear. It's a great opportunity. Please try to encash it. Thank you. And yes, before I end it up, you know, you should fill this Google form. This is a Google form attached here for your reference. Only those students, I'm requesting it again and again. Only those students should fill this form, those who are interested in paid consultancy of Yourpedia, not others. Please, that is my request to you, because there are so many students who are filling this that it is difficult for us to segregate that you are interested or not. Why I'm saying, because maximum Yourpedia is a platform which keeps on giving everything in two formats. 120% of all our services are free, which we offer free to the students, but rest obviously is paid. And mentors who are putting effort to write your research proposal, they obviously they need to charge it, so they are paid consultancy. You know, somebody is writing, helping you to write a research proposal. I always say that Yourpedia ke jitne bhi module hain, they are value for your money. At the end you will realize कि okay, you have invested money and it has helped you, it has given you dividend. But yes, it is to be paid. So only those of you who are genuinely interested and for the paid consultancy of Yourpedia, every detail is there on the website of Yourpedia. Only those students should write and mention, fill there for this particular form and provide their details. Our executive will get back to you, and then you can start your process, further process. Okay, so I think I've made my point clear here. This is a good opportunity, go for it. Thank you once again.